If you want a simple beginner core workout that uses my 3 favorite plank exercises to strengthen your core, tighten your waistline, and even help improve your posture, then give this 9-minute plank workout a shot. Hey, I'm Coach Tyler, and today I want to give you a simple 9-minute follow-along core workout using my 3 favorite plank exercises. Those exercises are tabletop lifts, kneeling side planks, first on your right hand, then on your left hand, and finally, high chair planks. These 3 exercises will cover all the muscles of your core, including the muscles on the front, sides, and back, which is really, really good, because way too many people just focus on the muscles of the front of their body, which can cause imbalances and leave you vulnerable to getting injured. The good news is, this workout will strengthen all of those muscles of your core from your chest all the way to your hips and all the way around. And it's perfect for beginners too. So here's how this is gonna work. We're gonna do 30 seconds of work followed by 15 seconds of rest on each exercise. We're gonna do this for 3 rounds, which means this is a 9-minute follow along workout. So find some space and grab a sturdy chair and get ready. Once you're fully ready, come back and let's get started with those tabletop lifts. In 3, 2, 1, and go! Drive your heels into the ground and press your hands backward to initiate the movement. If this is too hard, try this. Celebrate the sweat! Squeeze your shoulder blades back and down as you do this movement. 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Up next, kneeling side plank on hand, on the left side. Get ready. Remember, form first, intensity second. If this is too hard, try this. Stop saying I wish and start saying I will. Let's go! Try turning your elbow pits forward and up to stabilize your shoulder. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Up next, kneeling side plank on hand, on the right side. Get ready. Your journey begins here. Just take that first step. If this is too hard, try this. Try turning your elbow pits forward and up to stabilize your shoulder. Listen to your body. 3, 2, 1. Great job. Keep it up. Next up, high chair plank on hands. Get ready. Take small breaths, keeping your core tight as you do this movement. Make sure the chair or surface you're using is nice and sturdy, okay? Safety first. Squeeze your abs and your glutes and tuck your pelvis. Don't let your back sag. 3, 2, 1. All right, you made it! Real quick, if you like the plank exercises we're talking about in this video, and you want more amazing health and fitness videos just like this, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and click that little bell icon. Because when you do, we're gonna send you an email every 60 minutes for the rest of your life. No, I'm just messing with you. We're not gonna do that at all. Instead, we're actually gonna update you with quality content videos just like this a couple days a week. So make sure you subscribe and we'll send you great videos just like this. Take a big breath in as you go up and give a big exhale as you go down. If this is too easy, try this. Dig deep. Let's do this. Squeeze your glutes tight to fully extend the hips. 3, 2, 1. You're crushing it. Up next, kneeling side plank on hand, on the left side. Get ready. Great results can be achieved with small forces. If this is too easy, try this. Contract your lats by squeezing your arm towards your feet. Try pretending you're between two walls to keep your body from twisting. 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Up next, kneeling side plank on hand, on the right side. Get ready. Contract your lats by squeezing your arm towards your feet. If this is too easy, try this. Take small breaths, keeping your core tight as you do this movement. Reach those goals. I know you can. 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. Next up, high chair plank on hands. Get ready. Try to keep your hips low and glutes tight. Don't let your butt stick out. If this is too easy, try this. Squeeze your elbows towards your hips to work your core harder by activating your lats. Take small breaths, keeping your core tight as you do this movement. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Awesome job. If you enjoyed these simple exercises and you really want to start building strength and building muscle so you can actually feel great in your body again, and so you can actually move around in real life without feeling strained, then you're gonna love the simple workouts that we create for our members over at WeShape. In order to get one of these workouts, all you have to do is click the link below, take our new client survey, and once you answer those questions, we'll create a customized follow-along workout where every single exercise in your workout is customized to your individual skill level and your current level of strength. Just go ahead and click that link below and we'll send you a customized workout for free today. Try to keep your head in line with your spine as you do this movement. I know it's not easy, so dig deep and give it all that you've got. Make sure all the points of your hand are in contact with the surface and grip tightly with your fingers. 3, 2, 1, woo! Up next, kneeling side plank on hand, on the left side. Get ready. Work hard and stay committed. Make sure all the points of your hand are in contact with the surface and grip tightly with your fingers. Try to remember to use the elevator to strengthen your core as you do this movement. Feel the movement throughout your whole body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Up next, kneeling side plank on hand, on the right side. Get ready. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Try turning your elbow pits forward and up to stabilize your shoulder. Make sure all the points of your hand are in contact with the surface and grip tightly with your fingers. Keep it up, you can do this. 3, 2, 1, keep it up. I'm proud of you. Next up, high chair plank on hands. Get ready. Try to remember to use the elevator to strengthen your core as you do this movement. Say yes to the life you were born to live. You're here for greatness. Keep pushing yourself. Win this moment. Take it all the way to the end of the round. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Awesome job. I hope you felt the burn on this and are excited to use this workout routine over and over again until you see the results that you're after. Now, if you like these exercises, then the next thing you should do right now is check out this video right here. Inside, I'll show you my 4 favorite core exercises for beginners that you can use along with the plank exercises that you practice today to get even faster results. I'll see you there.